So for our background paper for our reindeer that we have drawn, we are actually going to do what's called printmaking. So we're actually going to make a print of some type of a snowy background. And I have these really cool print plates that have all kinds of different patterns and designs. If you notice, there's all kinds of different textures. Okay, so we have all kinds of different textures, really cool backgrounds. I tried to pick some out that looked almost like snowflakes or something snowy. So what you will do is you will pick your plate, whichever little print plate that you want. And what you will do, or first of all, you're going to pick out your color background. So you will have like a black, you'll have some wintry blues, like a lighter blue, turquoise blue, dark blue. So we're going to have like some wintry colors. And I think I'm going to do it on black just so you can see it really well. You're going to have a plate with white paint. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this roller. Okay, this is actually called a brayer. I think, a brayer. So what you're going to do is you're going to roll paint on your little roller. And then you are going, now I have stations set up for this so it won't be quite as messy. Then you are going to take your paint plate, whichever side you want. There's two different sides. They're opposites. So you will take your paint plate and you're going to roll paint on the top. Easy enough. And then you are going to take your little paint plate and you're going to stamp. All printmaking is like stamping. Okay, so we already have our little patterns and designs, and you can stamp this however you want. And you're going to press. Now I could probably get a couple of stamps out of this. Isn't that cool? So maybe I want to stamp here. You can overlap them. I can get a couple of stamps out of that. Maybe even one more. Alright, so we just want this really cool background. Alright, so see, like I'm kind of running out of ink there, and that's okay because sometimes it's not going to be as snowy in some areas. So maybe I want to do one more. I'm going to rub my little roller over it. And I am going to, maybe I want to stick one down here. And like I said, they can overlap. Maybe I want to put one here. And just so that doesn't look so squared off, because I really don't want it to look like there's a bunch of squares in the sky, maybe I want to overlap one here since I didn't even have to put more paint. Just kind of overlapping the paint I have. Maybe I want to fill in some of these spaces. And I'm just pressing. And then this is what we're going to put our little deer over. So this is going to be the background he's in. So it's going to look like there's a bunch of snow falling, depending on which background you chose. I have really, really cool ones. And if you use one of these, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put the paint on it and you're going to use it like a stamp. And then when you're done with this, you're going to put it on the drying rack. This will need to dry for next week before we glue our reindeer down. Okay, have fun.